Hello guys, so if you bought this mic, K9 mic, I just got mine I think last week, and there is a kind of issue that it might come across. The issue is when you plug it into your phone and you use your camera, it might not work as you expect or work at all. So I didn't know the fix to that because I was kind of seeing if it was a mic that is compatible with my phone, because I use Android phone for now. So I was like, what's going on? Why is it not working? So I had to make some research, and I found out that some default cameras are not working properly with this microphone when you connect it. So if you want to fix that, and I need to quickly show you. So you need to just go to your Google Play Store and open it, then search for open camera. Once you see open camera, just install it and wait for it to install. Once it's installed, just open it, then go to your settings, go to your video settings, and then look for audio source. Once you see the audio source there, then look for an option with external mic if available. So just set that to default and come back and try it. So once you try it, you see that it will work perfectly now. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.